Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 19, 2025 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 19, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, November 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 19, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, November 19, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 19, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.